Hey guys, we got this Miger 60-watt coiled USB-C cables for test and try. 4-in-1 charging cable with 2 pack, 4 feet USB-C to lightning cable for car or any other purpose. So they are the fast charging cables for your iPhones or USB-C devices. So coiled cable, so that's really helpful. Like it will just recoil back, so take less space. And as they are 4-in-1 means they have this adapters that you can use, so you can use it as a USB-C or through USB-C to this. So this have the marked the voltage on it, so the wattage, so what wattage you can charge with, and easily nice to recoil thing. So you can use it from the USB or the USB-C for the lightning or the USB-C. Start charging without any issue. So this is pretty nice with this lightning cable, and also you can use this with any USB-C device, so like any iPhone or Android, and you can directly use that. So this working pretty fine and no issues with that. And I am as a 4-in-1, so all in one sort of cable thing that you can easily use with any of the device. So this have this 60-watt fast charging, and also we used for the data transfer.